morning students. Today we are going to see algebra. Okay, for state board student, listen here. Solve the following system of linear equations in three variables. Okay, what are the values we are going to find out from these equations? X, Y, Z value we have to find out. Okay, how will you find out? A simple method. This is the simple method to be getting the value of X, Y, Z. Okay, they have given three equations. This is the question part. X plus Y plus Z equal to 5. This is equation number 1. We have to consider this equation. This is equation number 1. Second one is equation number 2. Then third one, this is the third equation. Okay, they have given, actually we have to mention the name 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, let us consider X plus Y plus Z equal to 5. Equation number 1, then 2x minus y plus z equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Then third one, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. This is a third equation. Okay, see, use with this. From that we have to find out the value of x, y, any one. Okay, we have to reduce the terms here. Let us consider, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We have to write again here equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is equation number 1, this is 2. Then from that, what are the terms we have to cancel? What are the terms we will cancel here? Plus y here, minus y, isn't it? These two terms, is it possible to cancel when we have to add these two terms, isn't it? So x plus y plus z equal to 5 is the equation number 1. This is 2 equation. Second equation, 2x minus y plus z equal to 9, isn't it? Minus y plus y. Okay, we have to, when we will be adding these two terms, you will get these values. 2x plus x equal to 3x, then plus z, here also plus z, so plus 2z. Okay, these two terms are cancelled, isn't it? So you will get 4 equal to 14. This is equation number 4. Okay, after cancelling these terms, you will get this value. 3x plus 2z equal to 14. Okay, same like the term we want to get again. Okay, how will you get these terms? From equation number 2 and 3, isn't it? Or else 1 and 2, any one you can choose it. Any two equation you can choose it, but your answer will be similar. These terms, x and z terms will come here also. X plus y plus z equal to 15, isn't it? You have to multiply this term into 2. You will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 10. 5 2s are 10, isn't it? This is equation number 1. After changing of this, you will get this like term. Okay. After that, third equation, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. Okay. After cancelling these two terms, what are the possibility here? Which term will cancel here? Plus 2y minus 2y will cancel, isn't it? 2x plus x equal to 3x. Here also we have to add these two terms. You will get these terms. Okay, 3x plus 5z equal to 26. Okay, we have considered this one as a fifth equation. Already we have got it, isn't it? Fourth equation. Second, next we have to add or subtract these two terms. You will get one value, z or x, any one value. Okay, how will you cancel these two terms? 3x plus 2z equal to 14, isn't it? Then this is equation number 4. Then fifth one, 3x plus 5z equal to 26, isn't it? How will you cancel this term? When subtracting, isn't it? 3x here, here also 3x. Now we have to change the symbol. Minus here, here also minus, here also minus. This whole term will be changed. Minus 3x, minus 5x, then minus 26, isn't it? So how will you cancel this? These two terms will be cancelled. After that, plus 2z minus 5z. So your answer will be minus 3z equal to minus 12. How will you get this? 26, 14. Minus 26 plus 14. You will get this. Minus 12, isn't it? So next, here also minus term, here also get cancelled. Both the sides are minus symbols are there. So it has been cancelled. Z equal to minus 12 divided by minus 3 equal to 4, isn't it? So your value z equal to 4 now you got. Okay. Next, substitute this value in any one equations where it will be possible to substitute this value to here. You just think about that. Here is it possible, here also possible. Okay. if we will substitute z value to here means you will get x value, isn't it? Any one equation you can choose it. Now we have to choose this equation. 3x plus 2z equal to 14, isn't it? 3x plus 2, instead of z we have to substitute 4 equal to 14. 4 2s are 8. 3x plus 8 equal to 14, isn't it? 3x alone, keep it left hand side. 14 minus 8 plus 8 comes here means minus 8. So your answer x equal to 14 minus 8, 6. So then 3 comes here. 6 by 3 equal to 12. So now another one more value also you got it, isn't it? X value. Okay, now what are the values you are having? X value. Then another one more value is z, isn't it? Z also you are having. Now then x value, then x also you are having, isn't it? Then substitute x equal to 2 and z equal to 4 in equation number 1. Already you know that equation number 1 is x plus y plus z equal to 5, isn't it? Y equal to minus 1. How will you get this value? Instead of x equal to 2, y equal to z equal to 4. Okay, already the equation number 1 is x plus y plus z equal to 5, correct? Equation number 1, this is equation number 1, x plus y plus z equal to 5. This is equation number 1, correct? See, you have to substitute this x value and z value in equation number 1. You will get 2 plus y plus 4 equal to 5 equal to y equal to minus 1. How will you get that? Y alone, keep it left hand side. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1, isn't it? So y equal to 5 minus 6. Okay. How will you get this 6? 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So you will get y value now, isn't it? So you have got 3 values. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 4. 3 values is the important value for this terms. Okay, this problem. Now you got it. Okay, just one doubt. Whether this is correct or not. How will you find out? You have to verify these terms. From any one equation, this value you have to substitute any one of the equations what we have given already. X plus y plus z equal to 5. This is equation number 1. Okay, 1 2 3 3 equations are there in the problem. 1 2 3 3 equations are there. No, what are the value? Already you have got it some value for x y z. You have to substitute this value. You will get same 5, you will get same 9, you will get same 16 means this for your answer will be correct. X, Y, Z is the correct answer. For one conclusion, final conclusion, verification. X equal to 2, Y equal to minus 1, Z equal to 4. Okay, X equal to 2, Y minus 1, Z 4 equal to 5. So Z X 2, isn't it? Minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So your answer will be equal both the sides, isn't it? So your answer is correct. So you will get full mark from this problem. Okay. Okay, dear. Next sum, you have to take practice. Okay, I'll tell you. If you have a reader, you can go through that. Or else you have to download the material in the internet. If you don't have, please convey the message to me. I will send the material. Okay. Thank you, students.